Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Privy real estate software. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of our web browser, and then you just have to type out Privy. Okay, and then you'll be able to see the first website. So you just have to click on it, and then after that, you'll be able to see this website. Okay, so after that, just click on this Get Privy at the top right. And then right here, you have to choose between pay monthly or pay yearly. And then you have to contact an agent if you want to, subscribe to these plans. Okay, you can also attend a demo if you want to. But for this video, we are going to focus on what are the benefits of using this tool. Okay, so starting off, let's go to the product section at the top. Okay, so profitable real estate investment with the click of a button. So Privy is a comprehensive real estate investing platform that helps you instantly filter down your next deal. So let's start with the markets. Okay, so lead with data, win with insights, Privy's investing advantage. So the ever-changing U.S. housing market is influenced by factors like mortgage rates, home prices, and demand. So access to comprehensive data is critical to making informed decisions in complex real estate markets. So direct to MLS data access. So Privy is the only real estate platform that gives investors access to first-party MLS data usually reserved for real estate agents. This means all Privy customers get the most accurate, transparent housing market data right from the source. So you just have explored the future MLS. So here, everything from rehabs to rental. So we have fix and flips right here. So you just have to click on this plus sign for the details. Then for the long-term rentals, okay, they also have the short-term rentals details right here and below market rentals. Okay, so here U.S. residential property coverage is 97%, and top U.S. housing market is 100 plus, and property rental is about 96 million. For the investor activity, track deals in real time, so proving a property investment potential now takes seconds. So this efficiently saves real estate agents and investors time and enhances your ability to validate new opportunities. So here, instantly identify where to invest and where to avoid, multiple data sources, consolidated to find the most profitable opportunities, and see active listings and close investments. So here for the property transactional data, okay, so we have the records for on and off markets, so home ownership information, property characteristic, country records, deeds, mortgage rates, lender data, we have the brokerage information, Lions, auctions, and more. So MLS listing, we have this comprehensive real estate industry coverage with the direct MLS listings. So we have the West, Southwest, we have the Midwest, the Southeast, and the Northeast. Okay, so for the rental valuation, we have this one. Okay, so forecast single family rental investments. So we have occupancy, property taxes, insurance, operating expenses, property management, repairs and maintenance, utilities, expected mortgage rates and mortgage payment, net cash flow. And we also have the rental properties. If you are going to click on this one, you'll be able to see the details. Okay, so next is the investor activity. Okay, so you can track comparable properties in real time. Understanding the current trend, so data-driven market appraisal, can get a clear snapshot of the real estate market and which local markets are not zones. Okay, investor activity validates the market conditions based on real investor success rather than the familiarity. So by analyzing the location of active investors, acquisitions, and home sales, I'm gonna get the details. Now we're imagining comparative market analysis. Okay, so we have this sample right here at the right side. Investor activity shows you what worked And then previous comparative search shows you how to make it work for you. So real estate agents and investors use a comparative search to automate their search process, aligning results with established investors' patterns. So when you find a finished deal that you like, comparative search shows comparable sale opportunities that are ready to turn a profit. Okay, so next one we have the rentals. Okay. So expand your investment strategy with the rental property investing. So as you can see right here, we have a map. So previous real-time investment property analysis. So comparative search leverages the power of real-time MLS feeds, public records, lender information, and renter data to help you conduct a thorough rental analysis and find lucrative single-family home investment properties. So the CME selector lets you estimate any properties upfront, potential as long as term rentals. So integrated real estate investing. So with a 360 market analysis solutions and user-friendly interface, real estate investors and agents gain increased visibility into the single-family home buyers market with long-term rentals data and active listings all in the same place. Okay. So passive income forecasting. So the previous integrated LTR calculator uses this dynamic data to estimate any property's potential as long-term rentals. So first-time investor, property owners, and property management companies can effortlessly understand the year-over-year return on investment as well as sustained property value in seconds. So clarity into the impact of interest rates, purchase prices, renters demographics, renovations, operating expenses, property taxes, neighborhood supplies, including Airbnb supplies and maintenance. So for the financial analysis, we have the annualized return, we have the adjustable assumption as well, so rental incomes, vacancy rates, occupancy rates, property management, closing costs, and more. So basically, the Privy is a data-driven software platforms built for real estate investors and agents seeking high return residential deals with speed and confidence. It aggregates direct MLS listing, public records, mortgage details, and rental estimates to provide transparent deal analysis. So with tools like automated deal finder, live CMA comparative search, investors activity heat maps, and ARV and ROI calculators, and filters for property type, price, and equity targets, Privy surfaces investment grade opportunities efficiently. So the key features include like real-time tracking of where experienced investors are buying, enabling users to emulate proven strategies and validate their own deals instantly. It also supports of market tail discovery like bulk property analysis via CSV upload, rental income projections, and alerts for new matches. That way users never miss a potential opportunity. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.